Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change messages indexing in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Just give it a moment to fully load your emails and inbox before moving forward with the next steps. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the very top of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. You'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on it to open the File menu. This is where Outlook keeps most of its back-end settings and account configurations that aren't immediately visible from the main interface. After the File menu opens, scroll down to the bottom of this menu. You'll notice an option called Outlook Options. Click on it and a new Outlook Options window will pop up. This window is your central hub for customizing how Outlook behaves, from email formatting to notifications, and in this case, search and indexing settings. Inside the Outlook Options window, you'll see several tabs running down the left side. Look for the one labeled Search and click on it. This tab controls how Outlook handles searching through your emails, attachments, and other content. It's important because it determines which folders and locations Outlook will actually scan when you perform a search. Now, under the Sources section within the Search tab, you'll see a button labeled Indexing Options. Click on it. This will open another window specifically dedicated to indexing settings. Indexing is what allows Outlook to quickly search through thousands of emails without slowing down, so managing this properly can really improve your search speed and accuracy. Once the Indexing Options window appears, click on the Modify button. This is where you can actually control which directories and folders Outlook includes in its search index. You'll see a list under the section called Selected Locations where different directories are presented. Each one has a checkbox next to it. From here, simply click on each checkbox to add or remove directories from Outlook's indexing process. If you want Outlook to search a specific folder, make sure its checkbox is ticked. If you don't need certain folders indexed, uncheck them. This helps keep your search results focused and relevant to the content you actually use. Once you've made all your changes, click OK to save and apply your new indexing settings. And that's it. You've successfully customized how Outlook indexes your messages, which should make your searches faster and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.